Shiva Learning is career guidance portal of India, one-stop destination for everything related to education and career decisions. Our services: career counseling, admission process, study materials, test series and exam update are our materials, rapid revision materials.
Hello NEET user experience, you all are watching official YouTube channel of Shiva Learning. You all can also visit us on www.shivalearning.in for more details. Okay, so this is the video about state counseling details across India. In this video I am going to cover the details of all the state private medical colleges across India. In this video I will tell what are the fees structure, what is the marks required for the domicile students, what is the marks required for the outsider students, what is the marks required for the reserve categories, and what is the fees structure of each colleges. Because from last few days I was getting lots of calls, even the students were reading the data on our website, but still they are facing problem to understand the details. So this video is going to get very lengthy. Okay, so I'm going to explain the things in the detail, so please watch the video till last. If you are going to watch the video till last, you are going to get all the details across India about the private medical colleges. There is a complete list of private medical colleges in this video with their fees structure and cutoff. Okay, let me tell you from where you can get this data. Just search in Google Shiva Learning or just type www.shivalearning.in, and at our home page you can get here MBBS abroad and MDMS, and then you have state counseling details, state counseling MBBS PGDL detail. When you are going to open this link, after opening this link you will reach this point at this page. So I'm going to explain this page only. So most of the states of India having the medical colleges which are private, they have the average fees of 6 to 12 lakhs per annum. Exceptions are there that I will tell later in this video. The marks required is 140 to 540 for the private colleges. Okay, 540 means your budget will be approximately 8 lakhs per annum. 150 means your budget will approximately 18, 19, 20, 22 lakhs per annum. Okay, so let's see what is the para is written here. There it's written there, dear students, the admissions in private deemed medical colleges and state private medical colleges are handled through two separate counseling. दो separate counseling होती है. The first one is the deemed university that handled through the MCC counseling. What is MCC counseling? And for the state private medical colleges which are self-financing colleges in your state, that handle through your state medical authority. Okay, so अगर आपको deemed university में जाना है, then you have to do the MCC counseling, and if you want to go to in the state private medical colleges, then you have to do the state counseling. Okay, that these all are the state counseling. In the later sections of this video I will discuss about the MCC counseling also. Okay, so let's start from the Karnataka NEET counseling. Hello NEET aspirants, these are the cheapest medical colleges in India. These are the private medical colleges of Karnataka region. Karnataka is open state where any aspirants can do counseling through the KA Karnataka Examination Authority and get MBBS. Let us tell the fees structure of each colleges. Okay, so if you are the aspirants of Karnataka local or the domicile of Karnataka or Hyderabad Karnataka region, then your fees will be 1.24 lakhs per annum. If you are the domicile of Karnataka or Hyderabad Karnataka region, your fees will approximately 1.24 lakhs per annum, but only for the reserve seat. I mean your marks should be very good. If you are the students of all other state except Karnataka, then your fees will be 8.9 lakhs per annum, except few colleges like St. John's, MS Ramaiah, etc., where the fees is 7 lakhs per annum. In the Karnataka region, all the colleges are having the similar fees 8.9 lakhs per annum. Exceptions are there. St. John's and Ramaiah, they having the fees are only, and the further Mailer is also the fees is 7 lakhs per annum. And there is exceptions like SDM Dharwad and Adi Chunchandgiri. They have the fees of 16 per annum. And now the cutoff for the Karnataka and Hyderabad are the Hyderabad Karnataka domicile student. For general and OBC, 400 plus marks required. If you're the domicile of Karnataka or if you're the domicile of Hyderabad Karnataka region, then your marks should be 400 plus for the MBBS seat for general and OBC. For all other reserved category 2A, 2B, SC, ST, your marks 270 to 80 plus to get the MBBS seat in the Karnataka regions for the in the private colleges. Okay. And for all other students who are not the domicile of Karnataka, they need the minimum score of 498 plus for the fees of 9 lakhs per annum. Hostel fees is 80k to 1.2 lakhs per annum in all the state of South India. Hostel fees वहाँ पे approximately in the south regions of the country, all the states having the fees is approximately 1.5 per annum. Okay. So I'm speaking little fast, but this data will be available on our website. Just go and check from there. Also, you can read from there. Okay. So let's see list of private medical colleges of Karnataka. Okay. Let me summarize this. The students who are from Karnataka, and if you have the good marks like 510, 520, 530, then you can study in 1.24 lakhs per annum in the private colleges which are reserved seat in the reserved seat in your state. It means 1.28 lakhs per annum, but this is applicable only for the domicile of Karnataka or Hyderabad Karnataka regions. And suppose if you're the students of outside of Karnataka, your marks would be 498 plus and outside of Karnataka. Okay. And 498 plus means it should be like 530, 510, 520 for the colleges which have the fees of 8.98 lakhs per annum. Okay. Suppose if you want to go in SDM Dharwad and Adi Chunchandgiri, then 300 plus is okay. SDM Dharwad and Adi Chunchandgiri, these have the high fees, then 300 plus marks is okay. Got it? And if you are the domicile of Karnataka, and if you want to get MBBS seat in the management quota having 8.98 lakhs per annum, in that case 400 plus is okay. Okay. So I'm taking so much long to explain this. Okay. Because these are the very these are the very, very complex things. Okay. Now let's see what are the colleges. So first one is the Adi Chunchandgiri having the fees is 16 per annum. Basaveswara Medical College fees is 9 per annum or 8.98 per annum. BGS Global 8.98, BR Ambedkar 8.99, JGM, KVG, Kempegowda, MS Ramaiah. It means all the colleges having the same fees except SDM Dharwad and Adi Chunchandgiri and Father Muller, St. John's and Ramaiah having 7. Okay. Here at number 10, Rajarajeshwari is now the deemed university, so just ignore this college. Okay, ignore this Rajarajeshwari college. I'm taking long for this video. Okay, but what I can do, these all are the request of these all is the request from the students, and they wanted me to explain this. Let me see the Uttar Pradesh NEET Counseling 2021. Okay. So Uttar Pradesh, let's see what are the colleges and what is the cutoff required. If your score is very, very low, then also you can study 9 to 11 lakhs per annum in Uttar Pradesh. Call for more details. And the cutoff score is 150 to 480. Let's see. The first one is the Subharti Medical College, Meerut, having fees is 11.3. Hindi Institute of Medical Science, Barabanki 11.3. Shri Ram Murthy Smarak, Bareilly 12.72. Rohilkhand, Bareilly 12.26. Rama Medical College, Kanpur 12.3, and now this is the Tirthankar Mahavir University. This is the minority college. See here, minority is mentioned. Minority college in Uttar Pradesh have very high fees. Even if you have the score of 150, if you are going to get 150, then also it is fine. You can study in this college with a fees of 16.2 lakhs per annum. Got it? Okay. Now let's say the School of Medical Science, Sharda University 11.7, and Career Institute of Medical Science, this is also the minority. Okay, 14.7, Rama Medical College in Hapur 12.54, Mayo Barabanki 10.67, Integral 16. Okay, so these are the colleges in UP. Okay, FH Medical College Agra 16.39, and then Heritage Varanasi 12.62, Hindustan Sitapur 10.4, KD Mathura 11.68, Prasad 10.84, Saraswati Unnao 11.34, GS Hapur 11.3. Okay. And now see the Muzaffarnagar Medical Colleges 12.31, Saraswati Medical College Hapur 11.05, Rajshri Bareilly 11.71, Krishna Mohan Mathura 11.34, TSM Mishra and 12.65, ERA Lucknow 16.6. So these are the colleges in UP. Let's see what are the marks required to get the seat in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so here the average is mentioned here. Okay, 150 to 480. Depend on the college. If you have the marks of 150 to 480, suppose if you want to study in 11 lakhs, if your marks is only 150 160, then you have to pay 16 lakhs per annum in Uttar Pradesh minimum. But suppose if your marks is near about 300 350 320 280 260, then no problem. 11.3 to 12.65 lakhs per annum is enough. You can study here. Okay, for any queries, number is given. So now the Uttar Pradesh is over. Now let's see the Rajasthan NEET counseling 2021. Okay, so NEET aspirants, Rajasthan is also open state from round 2. Noted, fees is very high. If you are the domicile of Rajasthan, your fees will be 13.2 to 19.5 lakhs per annum. If you are non-domicile, your fees will be 18 lakhs per annum. The marks required is 150 plus. If your score is very low, then also don't worry. You can get admission in Rajasthan, but the condition apply. Fees is very high. Okay. Now let's see what are the colleges. First one is the Gitanjali Medical College, fees is 17, Jaipur National University 19.5, NIMS Jaipur 17, Pacific Institute of Medical Science Udaipur 17, Pacific Institute of Medical Science Udaipur 18.5, Ananta Institute of Medical Science Udaipur 13.2, American International 13.2, Mahatma Gandhi 15. So these are the colleges with the fees structure in Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is the only state in India which have the highest fees for the self-financing colleges in India. Okay. Now let's see the Maharashtra NEET counseling. Okay, so if you're talking about Maharashtra regions, okay, so Maharashtra is a closed state. Maharashtra is a closed state, so no other state students are allowed to take admissions in the management seat. The only C category, it means they have opened the NRI seat from last year, and their fees is approximately more than 22 lakhs per annum. So for the management seat, Maharashtra is a closed state. It means if you want to study in 8 to 9 lakhs per annum in Maharashtra, then other state students, you have sad news, you are not eligible for the Maharashtra counselings. Okay, only for the domicile students this is applicable, but the students who have very high budget and very low marks, and if they want to study in Maharashtra, like SMBT Nashik, like KG Shumaya, Terna, Maharashtra Institute of Medical Science Pune, etc., then you have to pay approximately 22 to 22 lakhs per annum to get the NRI seat which is open from last year. Okay, so it is very typical to read everything. So these are the cutoff details. These are the cutoff for other category. Maximum colleges having fees 7 to 9. Except few colleges like Vedanta, etc., having the fees is 16 per annum. Okay, fees structure 7 to 16 per annum, but maximum of 7 to 9. Okay, read this point down. So these are the colleges. Dr. Vasantrao Pawar, okay, 40 lakhs total. And this is Kashibai Nawale 60, Vaithul Rao 45, Terna 33, Salve 45, and Maimar or Maharashtra Institute of Medical Science 45, Maharashtra Institute of Medical and Education 45, KG Shumiya 33, and Indian Institute of Medical Science Research Jalna 33, SMBT Nasik 40 to 50, Prakash Institute of Medical Science 40, BK Walkar 40, Vedanta Institute of Medical Science Palghar 70, Ashwini Rulas Tholapur 30, Ullas Patil 43, ACPM Dhule 45, Institute of Medical Science Satara, and Vittal of BK Patil 41. Okay. One more college is opened last year in the Sindhugarh, having the fees is 13 approximately per annum. Okay. The marks required. Let's check the marks required again. 480 plus. What is 480 plus for the general and OBC, and 150 plus which have fees of 15 plus lakh, and for all other category SC, ST, OBC 320 plus is enough to get MBBS seat. Okay, got it. So I hope Maharashtra state students got this point. Now let's see the counseling of Tamil Nadu. Okay, the South India, the medical science hub. Hello NEET students, Tamil Nadu is an open state where other state students can do counseling and get MBBS seat. So one thing is confirmed from here that this is also open state. Fees for the government quota is 3.9 lakhs per annum. This only the students who are the domicile of Tamil Nadu, they can study in 4 lakhs per annum also, but their score should be very good on the reserve category seat. The cutoff score, if you are going to talk about the cutoff score, okay, then 450 plus for the general and OBC and all other category 357 plus. For general quota seat, the fees is 12 lakhs per annum. I mean, whatever the students, either you are the domicile of Tamil Nadu or you are from other state, okay, if you are going to study, if you have the lower marks and if you want to management seat, then you have to pay 12 lakhs per annum, okay, and the cutoff is 370 plus. Got it? I will give the link of this web page, or just visit our website as I already told you to read all this in detail. The list of private medical colleges in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are the colleges: SIC, Tagore, Karpakam, PSG, Karpaka, Malappuram, Kanchipuram. And this one is the Sri Mukambika, Velamal, Dhalakshmi, Trichy, Rajamuthiya. Okay, these are the colleges having the fees of 12 lakhs per annum. And the reserve seat 4 lakhs per annum, that is applicable only for the Tamil Nadu domicile. Okay, Anna, got it? Kerala NEET counseling. Okay, Kerala up to 2020. Okay, the Kerala was the lowest fees structure in India. Kerala was the lowest fees structure in India, but now they have increased the fees structure. Some colleges having fees is 7 lakhs per annum, some have 12, some have 15. Last year they changed all the fees structure in Kerala counseling. Okay, so let's see the detail. So Kerala is open state, other students can participate. Fees structure 6 to 18. Last year, before the last year, the fees is approximately 5.5 to 7 lakhs per annum maximum, but last year they changed. But one thing is there that only few colleges having the fees of 15, 16, 17 lakhs per annum. Most of the colleges is 7 lakhs per annum, which is applicable for everyone, either the domicile or non-domicile student. The cutoff for general and OBC 447. The students who are domicile of Kerala, for all other category 366 plus, and cutoff for other state students is 510 plus. The students who are from outside of the Kerala regions, and if they want to study in 7 lakhs per annum, their scores would be 510, 520, 530 etc. Got it? And now these are the colleges in Kerala. Let's see what are the colleges, guys. KMCT, Puspagiri, Amla, Jubilee, Malankara, SUT, Mount Zion, Travancore, PK Das, and GM1, Sri Narayana, SR, Believers, Rambarwell, Malabar. Okay, and now you have Malabar, Ajizia, Al Azhar, Sri Gokulam, Kannur, MES, Karuna Academy of Medical Science. Okay, अभी there are the students who are from North India or the other parts of the country. They always used to ask, sir, what is the best college in Kerala? Okay, so let me tell the best college in Kerala. First one is the KM City, which is good college. Second one the Pushpagiri Amla is also good. Jubilee Mission is the best college. Okay, and Narayana is the best college. Believers is the best college. Malabar is also good. Okay, Gokulam is the good one. Okay, these are the very good colleges in Kerala regions. And now you have, yes, Gokulam, up to Gokulam, and there are lots of Muslim minority colleges are there. Okay, now let's see the Telangana NEET counseling. Okay, Telangana, right? So Hello NEET Experience Telangana is also open state where other state students can do counseling and get MBBS seat. For domicile students, there are the three types of seats are there: A category, B category, C category. A category means reserved seat in the private college having the fees of maximum 1 lakhs per annum and the cutoff is 483 plus for general and OBC. For B category, 11 lakhs per annum, cutoff is 247 plus. For C category, 20 lakhs per annum, cutoff is 140 or 150 plus. For non-domicile students, see here, fees is 11 per annum and the cutoff is 321 plus. Got it? Got it. Now let's see the list of private medical colleges in Telangana. Mamta Medical College, Khammam, Kamineni Institute of Medical Science, Narkatpalli, Nalgonda, VS Medical College, Mahbubnagar, Chalamanda Anandra, Pratima, Medicity, MNR, Bhaskar, Apollo, RVM, Kamneni, Hyderabad, Maheshwara, Deccan, Sardan, VRK, Ayan. Okay. The one more medical college last year added, which is Surbhi Medical College. Okay. All having the fees is 11 per annum and your score should be around 350, near 350, 370, 400, 420, 430 etc. Now let's see the Andhra. Okay, Andhra is also open state. There is also three category seat: A, B, C. For category A, fees is this one. For category B, the fees is here, it is given 13, but last year they changed to 12 lakhs per annum. So the fees is 12 lakhs per annum. For C category, fees is 20 lakhs per annum. Non-domicile students fees is 12 lakhs per annum. Cutoff is 287 plus. Got it? Chaliye. And for the students who are the domicile and they want to study in reserve category, then fourth step 7 plus is required. Only on the reserve seat having the fees is 1 lakhs per annum. Okay. Okay. Now let's see what are the list of colleges in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Alluri Sitaram, and then you have Katuri, Pinnamai, SL, NRI, Konsima, Great Eastern, Maharaja, NRI, Gayatri, Nimra, Narayana, PS, Santiram, Ishwarti, Fatima. Okay, Fatima is the Muslim minority college and average, not average, below average college. RVS, Apollo, Chittur and Shri Padmavati. So these are the colleges, the cutoff I already told you here. Got it? Madhya Pradesh. Now let's see the Madhya Pradesh detail. This is also open state. From round 2. Fees 8 to 13 per annum. Cutoff for domicile 440 plus. For general and OBC, cutoff for non-domicile 495 plus. Got it? Okay, now let's see the list of private medical college in MP. So first one is the People's, Aurobindo, Adigadi, Index, Alain, Amalta and Chirag. Total 7 colleges are there. The fees is average of 9 to 10 lakhs per annum. 9 to 10 average. Some have 13. Okay, I mean Aurobindo etc. Now let's see the Bihar NET counseling. Okay, Bihar is also open state from round 1 itself. Open state fees structure 8 to 14 per annum. The cutoff is 380 plus, and the cutoff for non-domicile is 300 plus. Okay. For general and OBC 380, for all other category 260 plus for the private college. So first one is Mata Gujari, second one is the Lord Buddha, third one is the Narayana, fourth one is the Katihar Medical College having the fees is 7, Narayana having fees is 8, Lord Buddha having fees is 12, Mata Gujari having fees is 7.3. So these are the fees structure in Bihar. Okay. Last year they have opened that Madhubani Medical College having fees is 13. What is? Here it is, I haven't mentioned what is Madhubani मेडिकल कॉलेज. फीस कितना है 13 पर एनम. और एक और खुला है सुभाष चंद्र बोस जिसका फीस क्या है 12.5. ठीक है. सो ये सारा डिटेल्स आपका रहा बिहार के बारे में. मार्क्स रिक्वायर्ड, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दिस इज द मार्क्स रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ लेट्स सी द वेस्ट बंगाल नीट काउंसलिंग. ओके. So West Bengal is also open state, and for domicile state and for domicile students they can get the government quota seat in private college with a fees of 4 lakhs per annum, which is called reserve seat in private college, and the cutoff for government quota seat is 500 plus for general and OBC. For all other category 390 plus. For management quota seat 150 plus marks is okay. Why? Because last year they have increased the fees up to 18 per annum. Earlier they have only 11 per annum. But now they have increased 18 per annum. So 150, 160, 170 marks is okay to get admission in West Bengal. For management quota seat 16 to 18 lakhs per annum officially. 16 से 18 लाख रुपए fees they did. Okay. So the fees is 16 to 18 per annum from last year. I mean, if you want to study for the management quota seat, then there is no marks barrier. But if you want to study for the reserve quota seat, which is applicable for the domicile students, then 4 lakhs per annum and marks required is 500 plus. Okay, got it? Let's see what are the colleges. First one is the KPC Medical College, Jadavpur, Kolkata, IKR Institute of Medical Science, Haldia, IQCT, Bodwan, and Gauri Devi Durgapur, Jagannath Institute of Medical Science Kolkata, Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Medicine Hospital Durgapur. These are the 6 colleges in West Bengal at a present age. Okay. Now let's see the Haryana. Okay. Haryana is the biggest competitive state, and there is only 2 private medical colleges. Other state students can apply for counseling. Fees structure 11.3 per annum, cutoff is 320 plus. Sri Guru Gobind Singh, Adesh Medical College, SGT, and last year the NC Panipat also. NC Panipat fees is 11.3, and last year they got the permission for the MBBS seat. So total 4 colleges are there in Haryana regions. Okay. Marsi Markandor, one more college is there, Maharaja Agrasen. Okay, that is semi-private college. So I haven't listed that here, but NC Panipat, SGT, Adesh. These are the colleges are there. Fees is 11.3, marks is no barrier, 300, 250 is okay. Punjab NEET counseling. If you are talking about Punjab region, so except CNC Ludhiana, all colleges having fees of 9 to 10 lakhs per annum, and the score is required is 360 plus for all religions except Christian for CMC Ludhiana. It means if your score is 366 plus, I'm not saying for DMC Ludhiana. For DMC Ludhiana you should score 500 plus. But other colleges like Punjab Institute of Medical Science, Jalandhar, Guru Ramdas, Adesh, etc. 350 is enough for Adesh. So let's see the college. Dayanand Medical College, Christian Medical College, Punjab Institute of Medical Jalandhar, Sri Guru Ramdas, Adesh, Chinpodi, Sri Guru Ramdas. So these are the colleges. Okay. Now let's see about Uttarakhand NEET counseling. Okay, Uttarakhand is also open state. Okay, fees for the government quota seat is 10 lakhs per annum, cutoff is 490 plus. For management quota 15 lakhs per annum, cutoff is 400 plus. 15 lakhs per annum for all the students who are from other state and the students who are from the Uttarakhand, and if they have lower marks then 15 lakhs per annum you have to pay. Okay, in Uttarakhand at this time we have two colleges. First one is the Guru Ram Rai and second one is the Himalayan. Himalayan is the very good college having the very good reputation in North India, having the fees is 15 per annum. Now let's see the Chhattisgarh. Okay, so Chhattisgarh NEET count. Chhattisgarh is also one of the demanded state of India because of the low fees. The fees is only 7 lakhs per annum. The college is Raipur Institute of Medical Science, Chandulal Chandrakar and Shankaracharya. Marks required for the domicile. If you are the domicile of Chhattisgarh, marks required is 450 plus for the general and OBC. General and OBC. Okay, and for all other category 380 plus. And if you are outsider, if you are from outside, then your score should be 540 plus because the fees is 7 lakhs per annum. The fees structure is same like Kerala. So these are the colleges: Raipur, Chandulal Chandrakar and Shankaracharya. At present this Chandulal Chandrakar is closed, no affiliation, but Raipur and Shankaracharya is okay going on. Okay, Himachal Pradesh. If you are talking about Himachal Pradesh, then we have only one college, MMU Solan. The fees is 53 lakhs. It means the fees is 10.5 per annum. Increasement is 10%. Har saal, every year there is increasement of 10%. Okay. So overall fees it will go 50 plus 53 plus hostel. But this is very good college. MMU Solan is a very good college, but fees is overall including hostel and everything it will go 66 lakh. MMU Solan. Okay. Now let's see about let's talk about the marks required for MMU Solan. Marks required for MMU Solan for other state students who are not the domicile of Himachal Pradesh, your score should be approximately 400 plus because good college. Okay. So Chhattisgarh I explained, Himachal Pradesh. Now let's see about the Odisha. Okay. Odisha we have High Tech Medical College Bhubaneswar. Total fees 45 lakhs. Marks required, if you're talking about the marks required, so marks required for the domicile is 470 plus, non-domicile students 510 plus for the high tech. Okay. And for the Gujarat NEET counseling, in Gujarat the fees is approximately 7 to 12 per annum, and these are the colleges. Okay, these are the colleges in Gujarat. Please read the colleges because I'm so tired while speaking. Now let's see for the deemed university. So deemed university means you have to do the counseling through the All India quota. It means MCC counseling. So see, hello NEET aspirants, to get admission in deemed private medical college, you have to do the counseling through the All India quota. Got it? Fees is 10 to 26 lakh per annum. And the cutoff score is 150 to 530. For admission guidance, the number is given. Okay. List of the private medical deemed university across India with fee structure and cutoff marks. Okay. So first one is the Sri Siddhartha Academy T Begur. Fees is 14.15. Cutoff is 170 plus. Hamdard Institute of Medical Science Delhi, fees is 12.5 lakhs or 12 lakhs. Score is 454 plus. Rural Medical College PIMS Loni 12.75 446 plus. KIMS Manipal 13.1 493 plus. KIMS Bangalore 13.1 467. Okay. Let me tell you, these two colleges they have increased the fees and they made it 14.1 lakhs, or they have made it 14.1 lakhs. But these all are the best colleges in India, which is far better than most of the government colleges. कुछ टॉप के गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज को अगर छोड़ दिया जाए, if I am going to live in some top government colleges, then after these only these colleges are there. Now let's see about the KS Hegde Medical College Karnataka, 14.35 446 plus, SDU Kolar 14.5 450 plus, GSS Karnataka 14.7 380 plus, MM Medical College Mulana 15 lakhs and 478 plus, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College Belgavi, okay, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College Belgavi, okay, this fees now they have increased to 18 lakhs per annum and the score is 430 plus. This one, Jawaharlal Nehru Belgavi, okay. Now let's talk about Sri Siddhartha Medical College DU Tumkur, okay, 15.65 200 plus, SBKS Vadodara Gujarat 15.95 436 plus, and KIMS Bhubaneswar 16,400 plus, Yenepoya 16,400 plus, BLD Bijapur 17,350 plus, okay, got it. And now you have Institute of Medical Science Sam Bhubaneswar 17.9350 plus, Amrita Kochi 18,380 plus, Sri Satya Sai 18,250 plus, Vinayaka Missions 80,250 plus, JLN Varda 18.5 300 plus, Geetam 18.87 280 plus, and BV Dim Dynasty Sangli 19.3 260, Krishna Karar 19.5 300, Arupadai Puducherry 19.5 240, MGM 20 300 plus, okay. Now let's see the other colleges. MGM Navi Mumbai 20 300, VMKV Tamil Nadu 20 230 plus, MGMC Balaji 220 plus, Pune 2027 280 plus, I mean to say Bharati Vidyapit Pune, D.Y. Patil Education Society Kolhapur 20.6 280 plus, Sri Lakshmi Narayan 21.5 220, D.Y. Patil Pune 22 250 plus, and you have Chettinad 22 240 plus, okay, and Ramachandra 22. Now Savita Medical College, now they have increased the fees and make it 23. Meenakshi 22.5 280 plus 200 plus, SRM Medical College, the fees is 22.5 250 plus, Raja Rajeshwari 23 200 plus, ACS Tamil Nadu 23 200 plus, Santosh 24 190 plus, Sri Balaji Medical College 24.75 190 plus, okay. Now let's see the other colleges. D.Y. Patil Navi Mumbai 25.75 195, okay. There are the other colleges which is open last year, okay, which is open in Jamshedpur, that is called Tata Manipal, okay. The fees is 14.1 lakhs per annum, okay. You got it. And now these are the details for the BDS colleges. BDS colleges total budget is 15 lakhs per annum. These are the list of BDS colleges in Karnataka. In Karnataka region BDS colleges, Maharashtra region BDS colleges details are there, okay. And now you have Kerala regions BDS colleges. These are the colleges, okay. Yeah, now you have list of BDS colleges in Tamil Nadu, list of BDS colleges in Uttar Pradesh, list of BDS colleges in Rajasthan, list of BDS colleges in Gujarat, list of BDS colleges in Punjab, marks record is given there, list of BDS colleges in Haryana, list of BDS colleges in Telangana, in Madhya Pradesh, in Bihar, Delhi NCR, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh, Puducherry, Jammu Kashmir, Manipur, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Assam. BDS colleges in Chandigarh, Trichy, Chandigarh, Daman, Diu. List of BDS colleges in Goa. Okay. So these all are the BDS colleges also given there. Just visit our website and just read there. BDS colleges, if you are going to study in private, then 15-16 lakh is enough to study in private colleges for the BDS. And if you want to study in the government college, then marks required is approximately 500 plus, 480 plus, 470 plus for general category, depend on the respective state. Okay, so the BDS details are also mentioned there. One more thing I want to mention, that your exam is going to happen on September 12. Okay, I think all the students have filled up their form. If you want to know the details etc about your admit card, then just visit our website www.siwalearning.in and open this one, MBBS BDS MCC counseling. From this link always you will get the updated data about your answer key, about your admit card, etc. Okay, about your admit card, results, answer key, everything you will get the details from this page. Okay, how to do the preparations, important topics, okay, how to secure good marks, these all details you will get. And here also you will get some of the top colleges, list of top government colleges teaching the MBBS. Okay, these are the top government colleges. List of top private colleges, here it is given top private colleges teaching MBBS in India. These are the top private colleges. Okay, which I already made one separate video for the top colleges which are private. Okay, so you can get all this detail from this link. After opening the home page, just click on here, you will get the details. Okay, so I hope I explained the most of the details across India, and still if you have doubt, then don't hesitate to call. Okay, sure, we will pick up your call and we will help you about your counseling and about your doubt and confusions. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope for a better future and hope for best in our exams. Okay, thank you.